I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi Award-Winning Speed Screed. I'm here today to talk about floor screeding companies. So I know a lot of the time people are searching, trying to find out who's the best, who should I use, where can I, get hold of a reputable company. Well, people are going to think that I'm crazy. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to give you my opinion of who I think are the best screeding companies in the UK. Now that may seem a little crazy, but I think it's very important to do that. So what I would say is that I haven't included Speed Screed in the interest of being fair in this one, so I won't include Speed Screed in there. So I just really wanted to run through. So in no particular order, I would say we've got the Cadman Group. Now they're based in Sale, Manchester. We've got Fogg's Floors based in Bolton. We've got B&K Systems based in Leeds. And then you've got, further down south, you've got CSC Screeding in Slough. You've then got OC Floor Screeding in London. What I would say with all these companies that I've mentioned is that whilst they are competitors of Speed Screed, I would have no reservation in recommending any of them to anyone that asked. So if anybody asked me an opinion of these companies, I would be happy to say that the standard of their workmanship is renowned through the industry. So that's just my opinion, but I thought it might be of interest in the interest of fairness. And as I say, I know the marketplace can get a little bit congested, but I certainly think that those companies stand head and shoulders above the rest. Okay, thank you.